Hey guys, I'm back with another restock video, and this restock is for today, Sunday, February 4th, 2018, and we're kicking it off with the original Snow Day slime, and even though December has passed, it is still winter, and it is still snowing in some areas. So, as you guys all know, if you've watched my past restocks, this is a cloud cream slime that is made with ultrafine iridescent glitter, and it is peaches and cream scented, so yeah. Next slime, I don't think you guys have actually seen this one before. It is called Nerds Ropes, and it is cotton candy scented, and just scented like a whole bunch of candy, and it really looks like a Nerd's Rope, and I used the supplies that I got from the Peachy Babies mystery box to make this, so yeah. Up next is Mint Chip Cloud Puff, and if you guys don't know, Cloud Puff is a type of slime that I'm pretty sure that I created, and it is a mixture between a full cloud slime and a cloud cream slime, but it isn't like a cloud dough slime. It just has a really weird and puffy texture that I really enjoy, and this one is mint chocolate chip scented just like the name, and it has some brown glitter in it. Here we have Funfetti Cake Mix, or Christmas Cookies, because I did change the name of it for Christmas, but now that Christmas is over, I'm pretty sure it's going to be back to Funfetti Cake Mix. Speaking of which, I'm so sad that Christmas is over, but it is a really, really nice texture. I'm not really sure how I created it. It is just a really spreadable texture, and it has rainbow medium-sized foam beads in it, and it is scented like pastries. Now here we have an example of the custom butter slime, and I did already stock the custom butter slime, and it's been really popular. Multiple people already have it in their cart, and you get to choose your color and scent for the butter slime. This one is pink mint scented, and it's just an example, but I have tons of scents you can choose from, so yeah. So this next one is a new one, and it is called Double Rainbow, and it is inspired by the meme Double Rainbow. And here I'm going to show you a sound clip right now.
It's a double rainbow all the way.
So that is the meme, and this one was only scented with the detergent that I used to make this. Speaking of which, this was made with detergent. It is borax free, and it is a really good slime for bubble pops. So here's a new one. It is one of my favorite textures, and it is a butter snow texture. It is also scented with detergent. I might add a scent to it later, but I'll let you know. So read the description of the Etsy listing to see if I did add a scent to it. But this one is purple, and it has some yellow foam beads in it, so I am calling it Rapunzel because she had that blonde hair and that purple dress. So it just reminds me of that. So this one is a big batch of Paradise Punch, and the texture might change a bit in the future. I'll have to think about that. But it is scented exactly like the name, and all the foam beads rise to the top, and it is just a really thick slime with a little bit of jiggle, and the beads are colored pink and yellow. So remember, if you get 1 8-ounce or 2 4-ounce slimes, your order will come with this little putty that I got. And in this clip, I am really struggling to open this. So let's just wait. Finally, I got it open, but it is a really jiggly putty. It is kind of wet, which I really like. I like how jiggly it is. It isn't stretchy. It's just a really cool type of putty that I think you guys will really enjoy. So remember to pick up an 8-ounce or 2 4-ounces if you want one of these. Also, if you spend $15 or more, which is pretty much equivalent to 1 8-ounce and 2 4-ounces, you will get a small squishy with it. Here's a little egg squishy, and I think it's really cute, and it is pretty slow rising as well. So if you guys want a little squishy, make sure to spend $15 or more. So every single order comes with candy, and I just got some limited edition lollipops that I think you guys will really like. They're winter themed, and I also got one of my favorite candies, which are the cream caramels, and you guys will be getting one of each of the candies. Also, every single order comes with a handwritten note, a slime care sheet, and the first 5 orders will get 50% off on their next purchase, and every other order will get a 10% off coupon code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!